Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of joining, then you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make chicken shawarma. Let's get started. To make this chicken shawarma, the first thing to do is to cut the chicken. I am using already filleted chicken breast. Slice thinly in smaller bits. Then transfer in a bowl and add the spice and seasoning. I added curry powder, thyme, garlic powder, black pepper, salt and bouillon. I also minced in some fresh garlic. Then the yogurt. The yogurt helps the chicken to tenderize. Then add some vegetable oil and mix properly. Allow to marinate for 2 hours. So while we wait for the meat to marinate, it was time to cut up the vegetables. I sliced the cabbage first. Then carrots, green pepper. I like the flavor of the green pepper. Then the red onions. The next thing to do is to get the cream for the salad ready. Add the mayonnaise in a bowl. Also add some ketchup and mix together. Then add the vegetables and combine properly. The next is the sausage. Heat up some oil in a pan. Add the sausage. Flip over for all the sides to cook properly in a low heat. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add the chicken and begin to cook. Stir as it cooks until it is properly cooked. And now that we have assembled everything together, it is time to build our chicken shawarma. Place the tortilla on a flat plate. Then scoop some chicken and add on the tortilla. Add the salad beside it on a roll. Then add the chicken once again. Place the sausage on top and begin to wrap. Roll and then fold and finish the wrapping. Repeat the same process until it is all wrapped. Look at our tasty chicken shawarma. I promise you, it is very delicious. Now that we are done with wrapping, we get it warm by toasting. In a hot pan, toast both sides. Look at that beautiful marks. It is time to cut it open. Let's check out what we did today. It's looking yummy and delicious. I am sure by now you are beginning to love this video. We are coming to the end of this video. Look at what we achieved. We did chicken shawarma. Please subscribe, share this video, comment, and I will be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless you.